Beautiful people, it's a lovely day so far. The sun is beaming down into my eyes. So, we are heading to North Wales. We're heading there. It's going to be about 3 hours, 45 minutes. Let's crack on. Into Wales, we're entering Wales now. I feel different already. This is amazing. Right, just a little update. We are an hour and 10 minutes away from the campsite in North Wales, and this is probably the campsite that I've been looking forward to the most. It was the first campsite I booked because it just looked so picturesque. It's on, well, there's a waterfall, so we're on a river. I'll have to get the name of the river. And then I don't know if it's pronounced this way, but it's like Nantcol. Any Welsh speakers will probably correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, Nantcol. So yeah, we're going to head there. I haven't actually got any plans today. I'm just going to get there and then see what's around. That is my plan. But yeah, hour and 10 minutes away. Currently going through winding roads and the hills, the Welsh hills are surrounding me. The rain is on and off, but optimistic. Whatever the weather, we're going to go for a walk or a ride. Okay, so we will be there soon. Look at that for some views. That is pretty impressive. Let's see what the fuck this is all about. I found a nice little spot to park up next to the river, got changed into my walking gear and then set off on a scouting mission of the local area. Come on Wales, show me what you got. coming down! Welsh weather. You know what, I don't actually mind it when it's raining like this. If you've got your waterproofs on, which I have, it's not bad. It's actually quite fresh. It means you've actually got to move to warm up, as opposed to feel a bit too warm when the sun's out. It's all good. Ooh, that looks slippery. Let's keep it moving. Ooh, muddy. So I closed the door, or window, on my first day in North Wales. A long drive, a wild walk, a bit of a soak in, and a campsite that already feels like home. After dinner it was time to chill and listen to the rain. I hope you'll join me again in the next episode, which is day 2 in North Wales, and I'll be looking for things to forage. Yep, the next one is all things foraging, and here's a little snippet. If you're enjoying the series, hit like, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.